How to install Xuper TV on Roku. Now, to be able to install Xuper TV on Roku, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open supertv.com into your browser on your PC or laptop. Now, on their official website, you'd be able to find this option to download Super TV for mobile APK and Super TV for TV APK. Now, simply select the download Super TV for TV APK, and then once you have downloaded this APK file, go ahead and move the file into a USB, which you can use to connect to your TV. So go ahead and move this file into a USB and then plug the USB into your TV, and then go ahead and start the installation process of the APK into your TV by clicking on the APK from the files that are available on the USB. And that is how you can basically install Super TV on Roku.